Guys, today we bring you exclusive scope on Samsung latest game changer, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. These cutting-edge devices are set to redefine durability and design in the world of foldables. So get ready to witness a revelation like never before. But before that, please press the subscribe and like button. Guys, you know the foldable phones continue to get better, but they are not as durable as conventional phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 are rated IPX8, meaning they are water resistant in fresh water to a depth of 1.5 meter for up to 30 minutes, but they have not been certified for protection against dust. Their hinges that keep dust out, but there is no guarantee that foreign substances won't get inside. But this may change with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. According to new leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 will be rated IP58 against water and dust. High-end slab phones like the Galaxy S23 Ultra come with a rating of IP68, so even though Samsung next bendable phones won't offer the same kind of dust protection as conventional phones, they will come pretty close. And given the complicated design of foldable phones and the added cost associated with IP rating certification, even IP58 is a big deal. As noted by 9to5 Google, this would make the Fold 5 and Flip 5 more resistant to water and dust than almost all other foldable phones. Samsung's forthcoming foldable phones are also rumored to have a new hinges design that would allow them to fold flat. Guys, according to leaks, Samsung is expected to reveal the phone a little earlier this year. Last year, iterations were unveiled on 10 August, but this year, unpacked event will be seemingly take place on 26 July. So this would be the first time that Samsung foldable is launched in the company home country, in which Samsung is going to do something different. But still, Google foldables are trying to give tough competition to Samsung that you can check out in left side videos. And at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.